How to change Instagram chat theme. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To change Instagram chat theme, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. To update your Instagram app, you can do it via Google Play Store or App Store. So after updating it, open it. Now here, on top right hand side of your screen, you will see this message icon. So tap on it. Now open the chat on which you want to change the theme. So here, let me open this one. And then on top of your screen, you will find the name of the person. So tap on it. Now tap on the theme icon located on middle of your screen. And here you will find all the themes available on Instagram. You can even scroll down to find more themes. So after finding the theme that you want to apply, tap on it. And then tap on the select icon located on bottom of your screen. So after doing this, simply go back to the chat. And here you can see I have successfully changed Instagram chat theme with this person. So this is how you can change chat theme on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.